All right, hey, I discovered something I forgot to tell you guys about. I used an outer glow on my picture, but watch this here instead. Go to my photo. I'm gonna go to layer styles, and I'm gonna unpick outer glow. Pick the one called inner glow. Puts on the inside edge. Got nice square, crisp corners. I can still go the same color I had before, that dark, dark, dark black color. I can go a bit bigger if I want. And it kind of gives it more of a crisper edge to my picture. I like it better. Same goes for my name. I'm gonna go to my layer styles, take off the drop shadow. I'm gonna go inner glow there too. Bit trickier on the name because it's kind of smaller. It does kind of block a little bit of it. So I have to go a little bit smaller on the size. And my name is still crooked, isn't it? My picture is square, my name is crooked. So I have to go to edit free transform, give a little bit of a spin to that. Just to have it appear to be straight to my photo. Still off it better. And I found a better barcode. I dug a little bit more online and I found a better system. I went down, I had to dig a little bit, I had to find the code 39 barcode, and then I typed in my number and I made it a JPEG with large formats. And if you download it, it goes to your downloads folder and it comes in. I'll show you. Open image, barcode. It comes in pretty clear. Look at that. I select, copied, and pasted it, spun it. There it is. Okay. Today our goal is to get the last part of this here wrapped up. And my school name, and I got to get my mascot. So my school name, I'm gonna add a new layer, and it dropped it somewhere. Where are you? There it was. It's blue. And it's smaller mouse. I'm gonna go school. This so I know what it is. Go back. C8 school. Okay. And its text. Its text is gonna be. I might call her Thunder Welding. How about I know this year? I'll call it the School of Thunder Welding. I like it. If I center this here, makes it a little bit fancier. I'm keeping the same font as before. I can go bigger, smaller if I want. I'm not too sure about how big I should get this to go. And I want white with a black outline. I may go black with white outline just to make it different. I can go to edit free transform. Use my arrow tool. Scoot it to the middle a little bit here. Here's maybe kind of hard to get. If I go edit free distort. Oh, I can't. Why? Because my text is still text. I have to find that layer, right click, rasterize it. Now I can go to edit, free transform, free distort. And if I just kind of pull this down, no, it's not really working, is it? So I'm going to cancel that. Say, no, don't like that. Oops, sorry. No. Okay. I don't know if I can have it turned or let me dig a little bit. Be right back. I couldn't quite find what I'm looking for. I know the program we have at school that if you were there you were using, we have it. But here I just couldn't quite find it. Oh well. So this instead, I'm going to give it a oops. Apply that. I'm going to give it a layer style. We'll try the outer drop shadow. Let's just try much brighter look of a shadow. So that makes it easier to read over the background. If I go a bit bigger, nope, opacity, full, distance. Maybe not. Still kind of dark. If we give it a blending layer style of inner glow, let's go white. Oh no, that's bad. It's not bad there, given a small. What is 2? Can I go 2? 2 is too much. W's kind of lost. One works. Okay, mascot. I'll find that. I'll be right back. All right, so on my logo, I'm gonna open that image. It's an old welding helmet. I like it. I'm gonna cut this white away. Keep the actual helmet itself. So thinking back to SpongeBob, if I magic wand the white, I grab too much of the gray. Can I go deselect? Let's go fewer shades. So the tolerance, it says, hey, I'm gonna take 5 shades of anything 5 shades close to that color. So I'm better here, better. A little bit of cutting there yet. Let's go select, deselect. Let's try, how about like 3 shades? So within 3 shades of that. And if I go delete, can't, hold on, let me deselect that. Let me change this background. Oh, it's locked. Can I unlock it? There, now it's a layer. So that's what it was. Now click, now delete, now deselect. There it is, got it. Now I'm gonna go to select all, edit copy, come back to my ID, and edit paste. That's the wrong one. No. Try that again. Open image, helmet. Open, unlock it. Tolerance 3, click that, delete that. Okay, deselect. Now go to edit, select all, edit, copy, switch back, edit and paste. Okay, got it. Now if we go to the arrow tool, edit free transform, shrink this guy down, drop it somewhere here. I don't know my size yet. I'll put it there. And here's my mascot. And I'm going to have the mascot be behind this lettering. So the school of is going to go in front of. And then my helmet's in the background. It's a little hard to see yet. So I'm going to kind of fix the lettering so it's easier to see. Now if I go here and do the, oops, get out of there. Nope. Check my, let's make the an outer glow of white. And if you go bigger, now the words pop. See that? You can see a lot easier. It's not quite done yet. A little more tweaking of it. But there's the kind of the overall look to the entire process, from the background to your picture, to editing the picture, to bring your text in, bring the barcode in, an overall layout. So now if I had maybe a little more room here, I won't do it, but I could print this, cut a small little slot up here to hang it from a lanyard. It could be my welding ID. All right, so there's the whole process. When you're done, we'll do a screenshot of this. So I'm going to use whatever steps you use for screenshotting on your Chromebooks. I'm going to do a quick screenshot. I'm going to go to my document, and mine is here. So I'm going to paste that document there. There it is. If it goes to 2 pages, oh well, no worries. Got one done, that one over here, and I'm good to go. Just submit it for grading. Questions? Only a click away.